Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Parkside Cordless Combi-Shear, the model PGSA 4D5. 2-in-1 for tidying lawn edges and shaping shrubs and hedges. Accessories included with a 3 years warranty and Li-ion technology. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Included we have in the manuals. Just pull this cover and here we have the Shrub Shears blade. The cutting length it is 120 mm and the thickness is 7.9 mm. The two release buttons, you can install that at the unit. Install first at the back and then press, it will lock. So easy. Release with these two buttons. The cable for charging this unit, and the length it is 1 meter, type A to type C. And here we have the grass shears blade. It is 84 mm the width and 7.9 mm the thickness. The release buttons, same way to install in that. Here at the unit we have the activation button, just press to activate, the indicator for the battery capacity, and it is on. The trigger, soft elements at the trigger, soft elements around, I like it. The locking mechanism, you can press and rotate the handle. (270° rotation). 3 different positions. And at the back, covered very well, we have the Type-C port. Plug in and charge it. Don't put your fingers there. It is very ergonomic. I like the handle. The soft elements are helping very well if you're using the tool for a long time. Now I need to fully charge the unit and then I will start the test. 5V 2A power adapter, and it's flashing. So let's wait until it will fully charge. I like the plastic covers for storage. What I like most is its compact size, easy handling, and the versatility of switching between the grass shear and sharp trimmer attachments. If you take pride in a manicured yard but hate pulling out a heavy, loud line trimmer just to tidy up a few patches around your floor beds or patio stones, this little tool is an absolute joy. It's lightweight, incredibly easy to maneuver, and costs a fraction of what you pay major lawn brands. For standard yard maintenance and clean edge detailing, it pays off itself in sheer convenience. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more Parkside tool reviews, gardening equipment tests and DIY projects. Thanks for watching, enjoy your gardening, keep your outdoor spaces looking great, and I'll see you in the next one.